One of the most controversial things I could say about retained attorneys is that before you hire one, you really need to have an idea of what they will do that will be better than your public defender. We get a lot of calls from clients that say, my case is on the final dismissal calendar. I'm going to get a dismissal in 2 months, and we're looking to switch lawyers. And I always tell them that there's nothing I can do, there's nothing anyone else at the firm can do that would be better than what the public defender will do on their behalf. If it's just show up and get the final dismissal in 2 months, me showing up is not going to expedite the case or do things better or differently. With that said, I always say, look, if things change, if your case actually picks up, let us know, happy to come on, but I'm not going to take somebody's money and then not do a better job than their public defender. We recently had a call where a family calls to say, we need you for arraignment. And for certain types of cases, yes, you absolutely need retained counsel for arraignment. But with this family, and they were lovely, I'm like, let me just call the clerk and figure out what the charges are. So my assistant calls the clerk, I call the precinct, we figure out it's but the charge is not bail eligible. So the conversation that we've had with the family is to have the public defender do the arraignment. They're not going to mess it up. They're very experienced. Don't pay us thousands of dollars to come to court in the middle of the night just to do some sort of show for the judge when the result is going to be the same. Judge can't set bail. What are we doing? And if you hire us the next morning, you save a whole bunch of money, and then we just serve the grand jury notice and it's still timely. So if you're thinking through, I need a retained lawyer, always ask yourself, do you need them now? And what will they do differently? And ultimately, I think we're very lucky to have just the volume that we have in our practice. But usually if I can't see what I'm going to be adding to the case on top of what the public defender is already doing, I don't want the case. I don't want it to come off.